Gold and silver traded bearish for the day. We have seen gold earlier achieving 2644 levels, while silver has also moved towards 30. Now, this is the importance of watching both the updates. In my first update, I have mentioned we are looking forward to a drop, and you can sell there at 2655 levels beautifully, and 2644 I have mentioned as a good support. Beautifully, it has achieved this. While for silver, the sell was for silver at 3140, and beautifully it has moved towards 31. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect with the US session, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and a proper reasoning for where to enter, why to enter, and how to profit. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Watch. See, gold on the hourly charts, you can find out it is trading with lower lows and lower highs. Where are the lows for this channel? Towards 2640, 2636 zone. Possibility is there that we can see a move towards this. Also on the upside now, 2656 levels are going to remain a first resistance, 2662 the second, and then we can see the next resistance at 2665, 66. If at any point of time you see these three levels breaking, we can say that gold is trying to reverse. Also remember what it is trying to do after this rise. It is possible that this is a forming a flag here, and once it breaks out of this flag, it can show a massive move. But right now I can say that the movement is more or less bearish here. Why bearish? I will come to that on the uh, other time frames. But yes, if you want to see this drop, the retracement, and if you connect the dots, you can find out largely it is trading bearish here. It has hit the top of the channel. Now possibility of a movement towards the bottom of the channel exists, where 2630, 2620 levels are going to remain the first targets. In fact, in the near future, we may see gold at 2590, 2580 as well. Stochastic looking down here. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. On the two, I will come to these two lines later, but on the 2 hour chart, see, moving averages are crossed over again on the buy side. But if you notice, look at the last three candles. What these last three candles suggest, that it is not willing to stay above 2656 levels. And see, after getting a strong resistance, we have seen a red candle. Thus the current candle might give a breakout where the prices might try to move towards 2640 levels. Be watchful of this. And yes, possibility is higher that we may see such move. Look at the movement, drop, retracement, and this leads to another round of drop which can take it towards lower lows. Stock Isaac has dropped here. The MACD is crossed over here again for a sell. This is a bearish indication. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation. Just wait for it to stay below 2644, and then we can look forward to 2640, 3630. Once it draws below 2630, 2624, and then below 2624 is where we are looking forward to 2616 as the next target, and below that we may see a major correction, major down move here. Till the time it stays above 2640 today, we should be careful here with the sells. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. This is a bearish indication here. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4, similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. See, a reversal sign was there. We have seen it trading bullish. Then a reversal sign appeared earlier in the day, and that is where I have mentioned that once it stays below 2655, just stay short. And what has happened? One stronger bearish candle, one consolidation candle, and the current candle is now ready to give a breakout. Be watchful of this. In fact, I will recommend you to sell at 2647 itself, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 2644, 40, 35, 36, and then 30. Below 2630, 2624 will appear. Below that, major down move is going to be there. A stochastic at bottom. MACD crossing over for sell again is a bearish indication, and RSI flat. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, the broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the best offers here. Now look at the daily charts. What did I share? Look at this two lines. If you look at the movement here in gold, you can find out this is how it has been trading. Where is the lows of this channel? Now it appears to be towards 2600 level. Now if you observe the movement here, what has happened in the last two candles, we can see this higher lows, higher highs and lower lows. And if you just observe these two candles, it is almost a symmetrical formation here, one on the downside, one on the upside here, and closing again here at 2660 to 64 zone, which is going to remain a prime resistance. Also today, now it is trading below the median of these two, thus suggests that there is bearishness here. And once it drops below 2644.40 zone, we can look forward to a major down move, taking it in fact towards 2614.15 or in fact lower levels. Now, also moving average, it is trading with little divergence from the moving average, so possibility of a move towards the 20 period exists is strong. Stochastic dropping here, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is again a bearish sign here. This could lead to bearishness here in gold for the next few sessions. Be mindful of this. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 2656, where you can expect 2660, 62 as the first target, 65, 66 as the second. And if these two levels are taken, stay bullish for 2672, 75. And if this is also taken, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2685 and 2700. Sky is the limit. If these levels are taken, these are going to remain greater resistances on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2647 itself. When you see the higher price below 2647, take a sell, expect 2644, and once 2644 is taken, 2640 and 38 levels, first support zone, first target zone. Below this, you can expect 26, 30, 32 next, and then 26, 24. 26 will appear. In fact, this time I expect it to break 26, 24, 26 as well. Be mindful of this. Take your positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at silver. See, silver in the earlier trade today, we have seen it moving towards 31, and what a good recovery it has shown. Now, if you connect the dots, you will find after the drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. Now, once again, if you see silver trading below 31.30, remember the higher price has to be below 31.30. That is the point at which you can take a selling entry. Expect again 31.15 and $31 levels as the next target. Beyond 31 is where more bearishness is going to be seen. Moving averages on the silver is still trading bearish after the crossover we have seen a couple of days back, and you can see this, the stochastic is overbought trying to cool down, while the MACD is still on the buy side here for silver. And if you look at the RSI, this is almost running flat. On the 2 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Do not miss this lower highs, lower lows here. Let it break below 31.30. See, 31.30 indeed is going to remain a very good support. Earlier in the day, we have seen yesterday also 31.30 levels proving out to be a good support. Now below 31.30 is where the bears will be active, and then we can look forward to a drop. Else it is still trying to be on a retracement channel here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also rising. The RSI is running flat. And on the 3 hour charts, if on the 3 hour charts also, the observation is more or less same. Just notice this lower highs are here, and thus only buying entry is now about 3160 levels. When you see the lower price above 3160, then only I will recommend you to buy, else it is still not in a buying zone. Beyond 3160, we can again expect it to keep moving towards 3180, and if at all it moves away or moves above 3180, you can say $32 levels will come into picture. Now 3180 and 32 is going to remain a prime resistance zone. I do not see that happening. See, right now I can see that it is trading in this bearish channel here, and it is forming a nice flag. The lows here are again below 31. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD almost running flat, and it is trading on the greener side. RSI is running flat as well. On the 4 hour charts, if now see on the 4 hour charts, this is the resistance. Then what has happened? See, look at the daily candles in gold. This is the similar formation here. You should just observe the pattern here. Daily candle in gold. In this video itself, I have shown that, see what is happening here. These are identically symmetrical formation, one with the tail on the upside, one with the wick on the upside. Now it is very important for silver to trade below 3130, 3120 zone. Any move below 3130, 3120 will confirm a move towards $31 levels here. Be watchful there. And see, moving averages have started to converge here, though not yet crossed over. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for buy. This is something you should watch out. RSI running flat. Coming to the daily. Now see what has happened on the daily charts. After yielding a greener candle yesterday, and also the greener candle comes with a smaller body and a bigger wick, suggests that the price is were not willing to stay bullish, but this was a spike due to the news related to the geopolitical tensions. Now, what has happened since then? We have seen it delivering lower highs, so it can deliver lower lows, which means a potential move towards 3180 can be seen again. But I still have my observations reserved here, because see, this is where the formation, if you look at red then green, see these two candles, then red and this green, then red and this green, and now it appears that if it drops here, it is going to deliver a major bearish candle. Also remember, it is earlier trading in this bullish channel, it has come out of this, thus possibility of it to continue on the downside exists is strong. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is also just crossed over. This is again a bearish sign here, and RSI is almost running flat. So looking, I will recommend you to sell at 3130, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 3115, 31, 29, 80, 70, 30, 80, 70. Very, very good support. And then 30, 40, 50 levels are also possible. These are markets. Once it starts to slide, it is going to deliver a stronger move. While on the upside, a buying entry is only about 3160, where you can expect 3180, 85 first, 32 the next. Any move beyond 32 is a sign of bullishness, which will take the prices towards 32.4, which I do not see it happening today. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.